In this lesson, you're going to learn about how to drag and drop cells from the same worksheet into a different worksheet. So let's go to the sample text in our first sheet. So the first thing you need to do, so let me just zoom so that you can see clearly what I'm doing, is click on the cell that you want to move. Once you do that, go to the top part or the bottom part, whichever you want. Make sure you then click on it until you get that arrow. Then click on the cell, then drag it to the new location where you want. So let's do that once again. Once you get a 4-headed arrow, click on it, then drag it to the new location where you want. If you want to select several items, you can simply highlight all of them, get the 4-headed arrow, click on the arrow, then drag the contents into a new location. You can double click on the column to expand so that you can see the date for range. And if you want to copy the cell without moving it, get the 4-headed arrow, click on it, press the Control key. You will see a small plus key on the next to the arrow onto the right hand side. Then once you drag it to another location, you can then, let's expand that column. You can clearly see that I've not dragged the whole cell, but I've copied the whole cell. Okay. If I want to move this whole content from this paste worksheet into the sample text worksheet, what I simply need to do is get the 4-headed arrow, click on it, press the Alt key. Then once I drag it, I can go into the new sample text worksheet, then place it over there. So let's expand on that one and also expand on the column. So that is how you drag and drop contents within the cell, and also drag and drop contents from one worksheet to the other worksheet. See you in the next lesson.